Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Huawei MatePad T10 Kids Edition tablet. This 9.7-inch tablet comes with an anti-shock silicone case with a handle, so kids can easily carry the tablet by themselves, and a stylus that kids can use to be more creative. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. Huawei created this tablet specifically for kids' creativity. This tablet has a kids corner, a parental assistant, an eBook mode, and many other beautiful features, which I will show you in this video. This tablet comes with Huawei AppGallery, which is pre-installed on the device. AppGallery is Huawei's official app distribution platform. The Huawei AppGallery allows you to download many useful and fun apps on this tablet. Besides the baby Panda school bus app, this tablet comes with a 1-year free subscription to the Azoomee app. The Azoomee app contains videos and games designed specifically for kids, so kids can create, learn and grow freely and safely. Inside the box of this tablet, you will find some barcode stickers. You can use a barcode scanner or reader to read them. This guide provides instructions on how to properly and effectively operate this tablet, and it is translated into multiple languages, including English, French, Portuguese, Arabic, and Persian. This tablet comes with a Type-C charger cable, which is compatible with many other devices, such as Samsung phones, and it is about 1 meter. This tablet comes with a power adapter with an output of 5 volts and an input of 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz, and 0.2 ampere. This 9.7-inch tablet weighs approximately 798 grams. The front camera is 2 megapixels, and the rear camera is 5 megapixels. Guys, let's test the rear camera. This tablet has an internal memory of 32 gigabytes, which is excellent for storing photos and videos. It supports a micro SD memory card up to 512 gigabytes maximum. Kids can keep the stylus safe in the case slot, so it's less likely to go missing. Now, let's power on this tablet. The tablet operating system is Android 10. This tablet comes with a 3 months free subscription to the Baby Bus app and 1 year to the Azoomee app. The Kids Corner is a space for kids to play, draw, learn, and explore. Drawing is a powerful way for kids' imagination and creativity to go as far as they take it. I like this cute little pen, specially designed by Huawei for kids' use. You can restrict apps, games, movies, and TV kids try to download from the Huawei AppGallery store. You can also set usage times and monitor activity. This tablet offers eye comfort and an eBook mode for a happy reading experience. Kids can easily carry this tablet by themselves using the handle, which also works as a support stand for easy viewing. As kids grow up, they can still use this tablet. Just remove the case and start using it straight away on standard settings. Beautiful. Please like, comment, and subscribe.